Welcome to Best Buy New Invention Gadgets. Today video about BLACKVIEW BV8800 Reverse Charge Test. The BV8800 can also be used as the 8380 mAh power bank to charge another device while on the go. It's easier to plug thanks to the Type-C charging connector. Let's recharge. TWS. Recharge IQOS. Mobile phones and iPhones. The smartwatch can be recharged. The switch can be recharged. We can use a USB fan. As much as a reverse recharge our products. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.